How to delete TikTok videos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for TikTok application over here. Make sure you have the latest version and updated version of TikTok application on your device. So here you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the TikTok application. So tap on open, and as you tap on open, it will take us to the TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on it, tap on any video that you want to delete from your TikTok profile. So here you can see the video. Now just tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you do that, just scroll and swipe it, and here you can see the option of delete. So just tap on delete and it will give you this pop-up that if you really want to delete it. So just tap on delete, and as you do that, there you go, you have deleted your TikTok video. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.